your parents? How do I get there? Well, do it part-time first with a job. Then you have to evaluate things. And I don't know. Oh, and always have a fallback plan. Just if you fail, give yourself a time period, and if you fail, you go back to the job that you know you can get. Got your umbrella? Yeah. If you have a full-time job, how can you be consistent enough to gain an audience? Huh? Just hate your job. The most I felt motivated was when I hated my job in the end because of my senior manager was being a little biatch. So every day after I get off work, I just want to do something else. I just thought, let me just stream because I really hate this job now, and I just don't want to be stuck here. Actually, I feel like I was more consistent. Maybe I remembered it wrong. But I have, because like for example, the hour was better too. When I was working in Canada, after work I just stream, but I don't stream that long. Maybe 4 hours, 2 hours. But you just do it. You just do it after stream, after work. Most stores open when you're keen on. So 9 hours of work, 5 hours streaming. Nah, you don't need to stream that long. Yeah, but also don't have a life. That's why most people started streaming during COVID, because there's nothing else to do. So no life, just stream. You were very consistent when you had a job. Well, we know why. Also, the hours are better. Like, if I stream every day 5 p.m. China time, I probably could be consistent too. But the problem is the hour here is just like compared, you know, in terms of the best hour for EU viewers, North American viewers. The best hour is from 10 p.m. or like 3 a.m. ish. I think is a very good time to stream. But what do I do at 3 a.m. you know? But if I could stream every day from 5 p.m. China time or like Asia time, yeah, that would make it much easier too. You stream like Mish? Streams between 3 to 4 hours. Oh yeah. Which is your biggest demographic? US. US viewers are my biggest demographic. So, you know, so my current hour is not good at all. I'm from the UK, I feel left out. I have a lot of UK viewers too. The number one viewer base is the US. Second, third, I think Canada. And last time I checked, there was Germany. However, I haven't checked it in a long time, so not sure what it looks like now. Yeah. This guy? That's a student. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Oh guys, this is so funny. So this is China. No, this is Texas. Top 5 with English speaking are usually US, Canada, Germany, UK, Australia. Oh. I always catch some or nothing. That's what I mean. Yeah, so actually the best hour to stream is midnight for me. If I wake up super early at, wake up at 6 or 7 a.m. to stream is also good. But afternoon and evening time is generally not good. That's the downside of, the upside of streaming from Asia is you get to be not overly stressed about your budget. But downside is you lose a lot of the viewers, or a lot of your viewers can't watch it live. 还宵夜台. You have a lot of US viewers that don't sleep. That's true. Is Germany and English speaking? Germans speak very good English. I think most European countries people speak English. Even if their official national language isn't English, everybody speaks English. That's my impression. Obviously, I've never been to Europe, but that's what I think. What happens there? I want to walk on that road. 直播有吃牛肉火锅吗？我没有吃，因为我只是一个人。但是我吃了果条，就是他会用那种做牛肉火锅的方式帮我涮牛肉，然后放到果条里面吃。It will be very interesting. Some streamers do it. Oh, I know. As you can see, where most viewers are from. But I think to speak English all over Switzerland. And or leads back to Germany. Oh yeah, I read about English is a mixture of French, Germany, some Latin, some. That's why English has a lot of mixed logic. Like some things works this way, but some things work another way because it's a mixture of many language source. Ooh, it's raining, yeah. I wonder how old it legally was the age to start riding scooters. Because I've definitely seen a lot of young people ride scooters, but I don't know, is this 16? 14? I thought it was a big Germans travel outside of German speaking. Most who don't can't? Oh. 汕头讲广东话吗？不是，潮汕话是。我今天从博物馆里看到的是，潮汕话是粤语的一个分支，但是它属于自己的一种语言，所以它不是粤语，不是广东话，就是潮汕话。Went to Gamescom a long time and they were pretty much everything to do with they were national branch. 真是 I'm not medical English. Oh. Hello, black milk. I'm not a German, but I'm not a woman that I'm into. That's a bit of a, what's the word? I've only met I've met a couple of German travelers in Canada and US. From what I gather from the people that I met, I think the German friends that I met are very straightforward. It's very matter of fact. But I kind of like that. It's like no BS, just super matter, just, you know, you don't need to like, it's just different style. I think there are different style of kindness, and you know, it could come off as being polite or being straightforward, but most important is just intention. Does it sound similar at least? Honestly, I don't know, because to me they all sound similar. I couldn't understand Chaoshan or Canton. Are nice or met in Europe? Yeah, I feel like it's just different. People have different categorization of nice. Or it can be it really depends on some of the experience, because as a traveler your sample size is limited, right? So it's different. Even Gigi agrees with me. What did I agree with? What? Oh. The world is flat, even Gigi. Oh Lord. Oh man. How Germans being cold. I never said I agree that they're cold. I said they're very matter of fact and straightforward. That does not mean cold. Oh my god. That's why I cannot trust Twitch chat to share anything about anybody. Can't even repeat back my own words.
Oh, you know, oh, this is what Bonsai taught me, that in the hotel room, there's like an extra chair. Go on. So basically, that one chair for you is for the third people that you can watch. That's what Bonsai told me. You know why there's always like a one chair in the hotel room? Right? Like, think about it. All this hotel, there's only one chair.
What the heck just happened? When did the stream broke? And there's still wait, what? Oh, this one has stopped refreshing. This moment. When you got in. Ah, 肠粉. I love. You know, even like for example, the 肠粉 food that I like a lot. Apparently, a lot of people, Northerners, don't like it. Apparently, people find it, I don't know, not as interesting. Oh, I know. Something I saw that some northern travelers come here to eat the rice noodle like 肠粉, right? And they say that they can't be full from it. Like they would order two servings and they're still hungry. Which is kind of true because they're very light on the stomach, and you know, and a lot of Northerners have really big appetite. So they're like, I had 2 servings of it and I'm still hungry. 肠粉. But I love it. I love the fact it's light on your stomach and you can eat a lot of it without feeling too full. However, that was some other reason that other people don't like it. What's with the where is all this freaking hate coming from? Everybody, what? Chill. Is 肠粉 part in the dim sum cuisine? Is it part of dim sum? I think 肠粉 kind of it's its own thing. I went downtown buy something and now I'm back. Prefer that kind of food myself. Me too. I think 肠粉 is very tasty. Isn't it super relaxing to just walk through the street? Ooh, dim sum. Especially from a comfort. Can we go back to spreading misinformation about what Gigi said? Stop doing that! Oh my god, recently I heard this story from okay, it's not that funny, but I heard this thing. It's so dumb, guys. It is literally so dumb. From what happened at my friend's community. You know, like in China, when you live in a region, you have a little community, and the community sometimes is like half closed off from the streets, and then there's like a guard or more than one guard. So you know, then if your car is registered to park here or live here, then they raise the thing for you to go in. Anyways, so big. Wow, look at the steamed buns. Oh, kind of want some. I'm full though. 正宗汕头 it. I need to try some 汕头 buns. 汕头制造，汕头原汕头中式包点。That looks so good. Look at all the steamers. Ah, she. What happened to lose weight? That looks so good. Oh my gosh. Can I take a picture? Wow. Wow. Just try one piece. That looks so good. What should I get? Just get one. Something 香菇. I'm gonna get a veggie one. How about that? 梅干菜. Ooh, 广式叉烧. Ooh, shit. I'm gonna get a 叉. 你好，一个叉烧包。I got a chashu. Chashu. It's 3.5. Oh, that thing is huge. Okay. Whoa, guys, this thing is huge. Oh yeah, so I was gonna tell you guys a story. What happened in my friend's community. So what happened was our dessert buns thing. Yeah. There's the butter and the duck egg yolk bao, and that is so. But you know, so far the best butter and the duck egg yolk bun I had was in Halifax, because that tasted so handmade. A lot of the shops here in China, they buy pre-made, like factory-made ones, and then just steam it. But the one that I had in Halifax was so good. I still think about it sometimes. But yeah, it's really hard to make them tasty, because sometimes they cheat by using sugar. But you're supposed to use butter, and the butter and duck egg yolk mix together, and when you steam it, the butter starts melt, and when you bite into the bun, the butter kind of floats out. But because it also carries the duck egg yolk, it's kind of like a floating sand slide or something, and it's like flavorful and rich, but the bun on the outside neutralizes the richness of the filling, and it's hot and oh, so good. Lava egg custard, yes. A lot of places make them don't make them authentically. It burns your mouth and you will think it's. I know, it's so good. The duck egg yolk is so good. Oh, look at that. What's this? Cha shao with chicken, goose, piggy, duck. They sell everything. This place definitely looks good, because everyone who's queuing looks like they're the locals. You have to bring 10 stomachs to come here. One stomach is not enough. Okay, anyways, guys, let me tell you guys the story. So this is what happened when, oh my god, it's just so dumb, but it became so dramatic for no reason. Well, for a reason, because people suck sometimes. Okay, so basically, like, for example, at a lot of communities, there is this booth. Inside of this booth, there are security guards, okay? And these security guards, they, they're just making sure, they let the correct car in there, and if there are other cars, basically they do in security guard jobs, right, for the community. So what recently happened was this security guy, who has been working in this community for about, like, I don't know, almost 10 years or something, got some complaints or something, and my friend went to my friend went to give them like a kind reminder that hey, listen, so like, you know, some people, they didn't say who, but he said, you know, you it's better for you to keep it professional because you might get people complain, and that's not good for you if you want to keep staying here. And the security guy was like, oh, okay, thank you, whatever. But the guy was like, I think I know who was complaining about me. Okay? So then, oh my god, this is crazy. And then what happened was, the security guy then supposedly was complaining to his wife about this person living in this community. It's like, oh, this person definitely was reporting me, blah, 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 okay? And then this wife told a third person that said, supposedly somebody else is complaining about blah, blah. And then this middle person who heard it went to the actual